right, so what we need is this SSI line across the 21-day. It will only come down if they sell it, and so we need the scary news events in order for them to sell. If they're not going to sell it, it's gonna dump. We want them to sell it so it rallies. At the moment, I don't know if we can see that. So we're not actually crossing. We crossed, and it's looked like we're not going to cross. It looks like it's going to bounce off that support, and that means that they're buying. And we don't want the retail guys to buy the S&P. If they do, we are going to have to flush them out. And at a high level, we are sell because it's 61.75% long. So unless this crosses, we're going to fall. We need that to bounce. All right. Where are we? Yeah, S&P. See, red. So they're net long S&P, but they're short the DAX, and they're actually long the US 30 as well. So I can show you this. So yeah, that would be a buy because they're crossing, but we need them to continue to sell. So if we want it to come up, it needs to come down, right? So it could be a bit tricky. We need that to fall. So don't forget we had the Fed yesterday as well, so that's obviously going to impact things as well, and it might override the sentiment, but that's the logic anyway. That's how you use the sentiment SSI indicator. So yeah, basically it's a trap. So if they sell it, it'll come up, and that's what we want. We want to see a wick underneath this candle, and that's it. So hopefully it helps, and any questions, let me know. Don't forget you need to get this this trading station. It's totally amazing, and it's free as well.